IKEA. I'm sure you're all well aware of what IKEA is. For starters, IKEA is that store known for its iconic blue and yellow buildings and, of course, Swedish meatballs. However, you may have noticed that we missed something that makes IKEA IKEA, the furniture. Aside from their modern yet simple designs, IKEA furniture is notorious for its self-assembling products, which is what makes their so-called flat packs successful. The effort and time it takes for someone to assemble something plays a crucial role in their perception of that object's value. But why is that? And why do people place an unusually high value on things that they help make?
This is what is known as the IKEA Effect. Coined by Michael Norton in his 2012 paper, the IKEA Effect is a cognitive bias that refers to the tendency for people to place an unusually high value on products that they took part in acquiring, completing, or assembling, even if they are objectively inferior to similar products by professionals.
This means that, according to the principles of the IKEA Effect, labor is enough to increase one's valuation of a good, even if the effort they put in wasn't necessarily pleasing, enjoyable, or resulted in any benefits.
There have been multiple experiments conducted in order to prove this concept. In Norton's paper, participants were given a chance to assemble IKEA boxes, origami, and Lego sets. After completing the task, they were asked to estimate the value of their creations by bidding on them and on other identical creations that were assembled by experts.
These experiments found that participants were more likely to place a higher value on their own creation than on the expert creations, even claiming that their creation were comparable to the ones by experts. This just goes to show that labor alone truly is enough to increase one's value of an object, even with the most basic straightforward items.
Now let's put ourselves in the shoes of the designers of IKEA. How can this concept help in marketing products? Well, the IKEA Effect may be a potent instrument in marketing for increasing brand loyalty and engagement, as companies can use it in order to forge a stronger emotional bond with their audience by incorporating them in the design or modification of a product.
This can be of great help in order to make customers feel more invested in a product or service, as people are more likely to experience a sense of ownership, satisfaction, and pride in the finished product when they have invested time and effort into creating it. This can also lead them to be willing to pay more for certain products, which can be a great way for a company to increase profitability.
However, it is still important to consider the IKEA Effect is not suitable for everyone. So, if you're someone who's looking to use this for their business, it is important to be careful and ensure that it aligns with your brand values and messaging.
In conclusion, the IKEA Effect is a very fascinating phenomenon. The fact that labor alone has been proven to be enough in order to increase someone's valuation of an object is such an interesting concept. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg for the IKEA Effect. What about its negative impact, the endowment effect, its history? Well, these are all topics for another day that are sure to be just as interesting as the ones in this video.